Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's lecture we are going to learn about the text style. So in previous lecture we have discussed about your different AutoCAD shortcut command keys part 1 and part 2. There I have not clearly described about the text style or text formats. So in today's lecture we are going to learn that one. So for this text style, what you need to do, you need to type the ST. So it will open your style. So you press this one, so again a dialog box will open on the screen. So here you got the different types of styles are there. You can choose any one according to your work requirement. Again here you got the all styles or say system in use. So I will keep as all style. So again one more thing, here you are going to get what I'll call font name. See, right now it is in this font size, it is standard, and text sh they have been given over here. So you can choose anyone like we have done in case of your MS Office. You got all the time whenever we are making any reports all the time, where what we are going to do, we are going to choose Times New Roman. So here we got the different font names are there. You can choose according to your work or according to your convenient manner. You can choose any of your font names. Again here you see, here you got the effects. So this effects just like we have seen in the MS Office. Again PowerPoint, we have seen like animations or effects, all those all are there over there. So you can do some effects, you can provide some effects also here. So here it is showing the horizontal direction. If you required ups and downs, see here it is going to show in the reverse direction. So if you are providing any of the house building, if you want to give in the reverse direction name, you can give from ups and down namings. So the same thing, this is backwards, it is going to give backwards alphabet order, means reverse it is going to show. So initially A was here, now it is here, so it is backward. So again it is a vertical. So what I'll call a vertical alignment, if you required you can choose this one. So it is going to show in the vertical. Whichever you required, you can select that one according to your work, right? Again here you got the size. If you want to give any height of the text, you can provide over here. Whatever the height you require, you can provide over here, and you can provide some band factor, width factor if you required anything, or any of the angles you require. The word should be in angle, so you can provide that angle also, and then press it set current. I was not at all changing any of the things over here. I'll just press the set current. So again the next what I will do, I will close this dialog box. The next thing what I will do, I will write the text. For this text command we got text, you just type text and enter. See, this is my first clear point. Then what I will do, I will select this is my second point. See here, now the text is ready to type. So I will write the unique civil minds. Right. So again when you are seeing this one, unique civil minds, so if you are coming out of this dialog box, so if you want to come out of this dialog box, you need to press double enter, you will come out of this dialog box. If you are clicking this same thing twice, again it is editable. You can edit the any words if you are missing or any of the things. If you want to change the names, you can do that one also. So again here in this case, you are not going to what I call color these words, or you are not going to provide anything, because see here when I was going to press the home, it is not allowing me to do edit in the different style, or you can do all those things. But when you are going to select this one by pressing right click, here you are going to get the quick properties. Under this I can reduce my size. I will give the 5 enter. So now it has been, size has been reduced, right? And again you are not going to see any of the colorings. If you want to rotate, you can rotate, right? Colorings it is not available. And again if you want to change the what we call text uh, different style, if you want to go for the different format for fonts, then it is not available in this case, right? It is avoiding me. If I was selecting this home, again see here when I was clicking this one, when I was selecting here, it is not allowing me to change my text format. For example, see here it is not allowing me. See, it is, you are going to get the mouse different color, right? It is not going to allowing me. So if you want to do all those editable, see for example I will show one more command key how we are going to edit all those things easily. I will show you. See here, for that case what I need to do, I need to go for a multiple text. So that is text you can write, or MT you can write, or you can type only text T, right? That is shortcut command key for multiple text, that is your T. You press enter. See here, I will click and I will drag over here towards my right hand side and I will leave. So now it is ready to type anything. The same thing I will write unique right. See here, in this case you select this one on the diagonal side and you can drag like this, so it will come in single row. If you want you can do that one. If you want to reduce this one, again you can go ahead this one. So again in this case, see for example, I don't like this format, so what you need to do, you need to select all those things and you can go with here. Again all the fonts initially we have typed as a ST style, different style if you want, so you can choose this one. Now it is looking clear. Okay, now if you want to reduce the size of this text, again you select this one, you go for here what I call 5, so it is been reduced, right? It has been reduced. Now if I want a what I call block letter, you select this block letter, right? See here, when you are selecting this block letter, it is going to show splitting into two what I call sheets. So what you need to do, see here, I will just drag here this diagonal line, again it is going to show in the single lines. This is how about your M text what I call T will work and how your text will work. So again if you want to change of this color, if you want to change this color of this text, you just select this one and you go for the coloring and you can provide any of the color. See here, if I was giving yellow color, it is in the yellow color. So how this text command will work, whenever you are typing with the text command key called text, it is not going to editable. See for example, I will show you once again. So here when I was clicking the double tap in new what I'll call new command or new anything, it is not opening on the top side. So when I was doing this one editable, see here you are going to get the text editor. It means you can edit this text in all the manners or in all the aspects, but in this case whenever typing text, it is not going to work. For this case you are not going to get the text editor over here, right? So here you are going to get text editor in case of whenever you are typing the multiple text lines, then only it is going to show you people how it is going to be work. And why I have taken this drawing in this lecture means one more command, that is your dimension. So earlier we have discussed about the dimensions. I have told about the dimension style. In this dimension style lecture we have seen for linear dimension, angular dimension, all those things we have seen over there. So in this case, see here I have taken a simple plan, right? This is a sanctioned plan I have taken. So here in this case, from here to here, if I want to measure the distance, what we were doing in that lecture, that we are pressing the DLI and we are pressing enter. See here, so here to here, if we are showing some what I'll call 4 meter, then the command is coming out of its command, right? See, it is coming out of command. Later on what we will do, we will press once again DLI, or we are going to press space button to continue the work. But one more dimension line is there, or one more command is there. If you use that one, you can go with multiple times, that is your command key called DIM. So dim, if you are pressing this one dimension, see here for example from this point to this point, so it is going to show you the 4 meter. Again it is continuing. See, my work is continuing. I was not coming out of my command line. See here, I was clicking here from this to this. See here, again I was getting over here. If you want to remove these extension lines in dimension style, you go there and you can remove this extension line, or I have been described about very clearly over there about this extension line, this what I'll call whatever the dimension was we are showing this one. If you want to change this font style also, again all these things we can do in your dimension style editor. It is already discussed in your dimension style, but I have not discussed about dim. So this dim, it is going to work for your continuation of your work. So if you want to take the dimension of this line, it is going to dimension, so no need to press space, or no need to write once again the command line key called DLI or D angular. So the same case the question will arise if you are going to, it is going to be used only for your horizontal or vertical line, whether it is going to be workable. Dim command, it is going to workable for your angular or not. So I will show you that angular part also. dim, press enter. See here, it is showing you the all the different lines. How you required angular, you required, it is going to show you the angular. See, if I was clicking the angular from this point to this point, see here, it is going to show you the angular, it is 90 degree, right? So if you want to show some towards this also, you can check out this one, this is also 90. So wherever you required, if you want these two lines also, it is going to show you the command. So here you are going to get all the different types, what we have discussed in what I call dimensions or dimension style. It is all there available. But this dim line, if you are using this command, it is going to be used for multiple times. It will not come out of its command line. So it is very easy to work whenever you are going for the dimension for the whole building structure. If you are if you are showing all the dimension for all the what I call cases, then it is very easy for you people to use dim command instead of DLI. So it is very useful. For that case, I have been adding in this lecture. If you have any queries, if you want any related videos, if you have any doubts, I will upload this video or all these videos. If you have any doubts, please ask me, comment me if you have any queries. Thank you.